Do it yourself or DIY is not a new concept. Humans have, since past centuries, made things with their own hands, and well, it's on trend once again. When the mass production of items came into play, there was a shift away from DIY, and subsequently, many of the skills involved in doing things, such as furniture painting, woodwork, and craft, were forgotten. A reason why there has been a swing back towards DIY is because it makes us feel good. DIYs save us cash at times and can help us save the planet through recycling and upskilling. Making things yourself also gives one a sense of pride and defines their personal style. Along with this, it allows one to stand out from the crowd and decorate a home that is not like everyone else's. To top it off, DIYs are a wonderful way to practice mindfulness with new skills being learned when one undertakes a DIY project and their time being spent in a flow. As the coronavirus pandemic is raging, DIY projects are thriving like never before. While participating in do-it-yourself project cannot be substitute for spending time with close friends and family members, it may benefit us in other ways like improving our thinking, giving us a purpose, and fostering feelings for accomplishment. We have compiled a list of 5 platforms you can go to learn DIY. Number 1 is Instructables. Born out of the MIT Media Lab, Instructables has grown into a mainstream website with a devoted following who post their DIY creations. Their DIY project focuses technology, play, outside workshop, food, and living, adding a bit of flair in the competitive spirit to their DIY community. The site holds tons of contests centered around specific themes and invites their user to share their creations. Entries are first voted on by users, and prize winners are selected by a panel of seasoned judges, including Instructables, staff, and members of the community. Next is doityourself.com. Repeatedly honored as one of the best DIY sites on the web, users come here to get expert advice on home improvement and repair project. Their DIY project focuses on home and lifestyle, including car repair and personal finance. Third is lynda.com. There are a lot of different pieces of software that one can learn over the past decade, and they can all be learned through lynda.com's video tutorials. Their courses range from HTML website building, Final Cut Pro X, Motion X, Adobe Premiere to Adobe Lightroom, and more. If you are looking to learn a piece of creative software from scratch, there could be no better place to get started than on Lynda. Next is Vimeo's Video School. Whether you are just getting started and want to go through their Video 101 series, or are starting to get more advanced and want an introduction to Adobe Premiere, there are a ton of videos in the Vimeo Video School library to check out. Last but not the least is Thinkific. Thinkific is a software platform that enables entrepreneurs to create, market, sell, and deliver their own online courses. Their mission is no less than to revolutionize the way people learn and earn online by giving them the tools they need to turn their expertise into a sustainable business that impacts both them and their audience. In conclusion, the skills learned and practiced while in quarantine are likely to leave behind everlasting rewards. Remember, when one is able to shift one's thoughts, feelings, and actions towards improving oneself and attempting new things in moments of crisis or stress, one is constructing coping skills and confidence. Essentially, you can grow as a person, which will be something that would most definitely help post pandemic. Thank you.